Let's talk about blossom end rot today. This is a common problem on many different kinds of fruits in the vegetable garden. These are tomatoes, this is a zucchini, and both of them are exhibiting blossom end rot. The blossom end of the fruit, not the stem end, but the other end where the flower was, will sometimes turn black, leathery, and kind of shrunken. And it's an environmental problem where the plant is not transferring enough calcium to the ends of the fruit because of an inconsistent supply of moisture at the root system. The typical soil does have enough calcium, and if it doesn't, through a soil test, and you can add products to do that. But in general, the plants are growing well, doing fine, but the watering is inconsistent because of too much water from rain and then hot, dry weather and going back and forth. So we do like to use drip irrigation and other methods of consistent watering for our vegetables so that they continue getting an even supply of water and don't develop blossom end rot. Typically this happens first thing in the spring and then goes away. On a mature fruit, if you notice a large fruit that you're going to harvest that has blossom end rot, you can cut that end off and save the rest of the fruit. But on small fruit like these little tomatoes and this little zucchini, it's best just to go ahead and prune them off and destroy them, and then let the plant grow new fruit after that. And just keep an eye on your watering and keep the soil mulched so that there's a better supply of moisture continuously to the plants. This is a Greener View. Thanks for watching.